It wasn't night, and it wasn't winter. It was spring, and the air felt warm despite the rain. Yet the cat's voices rise through the rain, mysterious and intriguing. Let's get closer and discover what's happening. The mischievous white cat left his home behind, joining the others in chasing Mimi, the grey cat, as the rain gently fell around them. Raindrops fell gently, like a soft melody touching the earth, bringing calm to everything around. Cats, these gentle creatures, carry a quiet mystery within them, living in their own peaceful world. Cats are not just animals. They are little pieces of calm, gentle reminders to slow down and feel the beauty of simple things. This black cat got soaked in the rain while chasing Mimi, yet he doesn't seem to care, and he still refuses to give up. Mimi, what have you done to have all these admirers chasing you beneath the rain? Mimi sits quietly by the window, watching the world as her admirers gather below. In that moment, Mimi is both observer and muse, a silent enchantress in a world that pauses to watch her. The white cat has come. Mimi, I'm here. Thanks for watching. Mimi sends purrs and love to all her fans.